What's up, everybody? So, the truth about nature, like going on hikes and stuff, nature can leave you in awe. It can make you feel amazing. And I'm talking about not just any nature, but like scenes where it's just nature. There's no like buildings, no poles, no metal stuff. It's just full 100% nature. I'm talking about like big scenes of nature. Those kind of scenes can leave you in awe. My first time going on a hike that left me in awe, I was in awe for like 15 to 20 minutes, just like amazed, like in awe. It was awesome. It was amazing. And I felt like that for 15 to 20 minutes. And that can be the same for you. Yeah. The reason why nature can do this, make people feel this way, is because God made nature. Yeah.